Here's what you need. Some red hackle fibers, a brown hackle to be palmered, and some brown chenille. Real easy. Okay, we start with the tail. You simply take some red fibers off this hackle. Some people like to use red yarn for the tail. Either will work, anything red. Tie it on there. Next, the chenille, then our hackle. And we'll start with the stem on this one. Start the body. Just wrap it right around. I like to taper it and make it look like a cigar. I like that shape. Clip the chenille, bring the hackle forward. Real simple fly. Build up a little head. Make sure you got everything wound down there good. Get your wood finisher. The woolly worm. Great fly.